on the road check and bet his ass could never cash. He's betting on the 8-ball, landing in the sidewalk, cold-blooded killer if you ask. But every night he needs me to land himself a red 3, corner pocket at 12 a.m. Only 12 years old, but I got a hold of a post-it I was gifted from him. My father is a bet man, but I got myself a steady hand. He's sitting in the corner with a six-pack of Corona, betting that his son will win again. Six-pack, bet I make a comeback. I know that this table's gotta lean. Won't you take me fishing? And I wanna try out for the 7th grade football team. You'll probably be nothing but this town's old drunk